Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, exploring its key features, the manual, and what makes it a great choice.
What's in the box?
Inside the box, you'll find the Govee RGBIC LED strip lights and power adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. Installation. Clean and dry the surface before installation to ensure proper adhesion. Peel off the protective film from the LED strip tape, attach the strip to the desired location, and press firmly. Next, remove the protective film from the control box and place it near the music source for the best music sync effect. Finally, connect the power supply, turn on the strip lights, and begin using them. How to pair. Download the Govee Home App, enable Bluetooth, and add your LED strip lights by following the on-screen steps. Once paired, control colors, effects, brightness, and settings easily from your phone.
Smart features?
The Govee RGBIC LED strip lights react to your favorite music by detecting sound and creating dynamic lighting effects that match the rhythm and beats. AI-powered lighting creates unique color animations and smart scenes, allowing you to customize your room atmosphere with creative effects.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. See you in the next one.